Right, hello again. It's been a bit of a while since the last time I made a video, so I thought I'd have a go at picking this lock on camera. It's Stanley CD, it's got it on there, CD8823. I bought this lock in Panama. I got back from there a couple of weeks ago, brought this lock back, and I haven't really done much picking since I got back from Panama. In fact, I didn't do much for a couple of months before I went. So I've been struggling a bit with picking, so I had to go back to basics, went through some of my older, what I thought were easier locks, struggled through them, and I eventually worked my way up to having a go with this one. I picked it a few times, but now I think it's time to try and catch it on camera. So I'm going to set up. There we go. A homemade tension wrench is made out of some piano wire, and I'm using, I think it's what they call a steep hook, Southord Max, and I'm not comfortable here. We shall begin. There's an interesting story behind getting this lock. We were in Panama, staying in quite a small town. There wasn't much in the town at all, but there was a hardware store. Anyway, my wife had a small tiny padlock on her suitcase that broke. It wasn't on for security, it was just on for keeping the zip closed. Anyway, she turned around to me and said she needed a new small padlock for a suitcase for the return journey. She'd spotted the hardware store and said, we can go in there. And then said, and while you're in there, you can have a look, see if there's any padlocks that you want. I thought, what a cracking wife. Anyway, this is the lock I ended up buying. They didn't have much in there to choose from, to be truthful. It was nearly all master locks. But I think I paid $30 for it. I've since seen Lockpicking Lawyer with this lock, and I think he said he paid $17 on Amazon. But I suppose that's not the point, really. It's this is my memory of. Oh, there we go. This is my memory of my holiday in Panama. Right. Get that out of the way. Let's tilt the camera down a bit and we'll see if we can get us all opened up. Right. Ooh. Actually, I don't know if that has to come all the way out. Oh, maybe it does. I'm very much out of practice doing this sort of thing. Let's try with the key. There we go. No, it's not coming out of there. And there we go. Big spring. Oh, that's different. It's a different size. Let's just check that. Yeah, fits on there. And that's a different size. Just bear with me a second. Try this one. Ah, that fits. Just take the key out. Don't know what that's for. Alright. The actuator or whatever that's called is falling out. Alright, let's see if I can get this open. Alright, key again. And get these key pins dumped out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just get them straightened out. Alright, now for the, oh, what was that? Oh, the tiny little spring, I forgot to get that out. Right, just a second. I just like to mark which one's the front. I always worry about. I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but I like to put it back in the way I took it out. Alright. One is serrated. Two, I don't know if you can see that. It's got just a little lip on the bottom of it. Three standard. 4 standard. 6 is serrated. And 5 is serrated. Right, there you have it. I'll just try and move the camera a bit closer to that. Bear with me a second. I don't know if that's very well focused or not. Okay, let's try something different. Okay. If I put that there, doesn't really make a difference, does it? Oh well. There you've got it. All 6 key pins are standard. 1 is serrated. 2 has got a little kind of lip on it. 3, 4 and 5 standard, and 6 is serrated. Okay, I'll get this all back together again. Thanks very, very much for watching, and goodbye. Okay, just a little addendum. I forgot to mention that the plug on the Stanley padlock has got counter-milled chambers. I think you can see them there. Anyway, and again, thank you and goodbye.